Let's look at an example. Let p of x equals x cubed and q of x equals 3x minus 2. Show that q of x intersects with p of x at 2 points where one of the points has q of x tangent to p of x. So let's start off by finding the point of intersection by equating p of x with q of x. So let p of x equals q of x. In other words, x cubed equals 3x minus 2 and solve for x. So we have x cubed minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. In other words, p of x minus q of x equals 0. We're going to find the zeros by testing factors of 2 since we have a polynomial equation where the coefficients are integers. So the factors of 2 or positive 2, 1 and 2 and negative 1 and negative 2. So testing p of 1, we get 0. Hence x minus 1 is a factor of p of x minus q of x. And also p of negative 2 equals 0. Hence x plus 2 is a factor of p of x minus q of x. So that's p of x minus q of x here. So dividing x cubed minus 3x plus 2 by the product of x minus 1, x plus 2 by long division, and I haven't shown the complete long division there, but we end up with a quotient of x minus 1. So p of x can be written as a product of linear factors or complete product of linear factors. So that's x minus 1 all squared multiplied by x plus 2. So we have our x minus 1 there, our x minus 1 there, and our x plus 2 there. So at x equals 1, q of 1 equals 1. So because this is a point of intersection that we've just found, we can use either q of x or p of x to find the y coordinate of the point of intersection. So I'm just using q of x because it's the simpler polynomial. So at x equals 1, q of 1 equals 1. At x equals 2, q of negative 2 equals negative 8. Now you notice that this factor here, x minus 1 all squared, has multiplicity 2. So that means then that q of x will be tangent to p of x at x equals 1. And this factor here, x plus 2, that's a simple factor, or represents a simple 0. So that means that q of x will just pass right through or cross through p of x without being tangent there. So therefore, q of x intersects p of x at negative 2, negative 8 without being tangent, and at 1, 1, where q of x is tangent to p of x.